HEPA filters to
At so,
eliminate
nasa loob na po tayo
bacteria,
ng plane, mga kamartes.
before and after every flight.
Ayan. Ayan. Maulan mga kamartes. Huwag mo itataba.
You're seated in an exit row. You are required
Ayan. Maulan po mga kamartes. Oh, maulan. Lord, bless our flight. Tulungan mo po kami makarating sa pupuntahan namin, Lord.
Bound for Macau. Passengers bound for other destinations, kindly approach any one of your cabin crew immediately. Attention ground staff. And now close the door. Ladies and gentlemen, please take your assigned seats now and fasten your seatbelt. Please put your cell phones in flight mode.
Cabin crew door storm, thank you.
Anak, mag-sit na ako. Video mo. Tamira lang mo. chicken po ito, chicken. Fish ito. Meron din siya dried mango. Kain tayo ng chicken, fish pala, fish at saka broccoli. Chicken naman yun. Pero tulog siya, tulog. Hindi makakain, tulog. Ayan o. At saka apple juice, dried mango, fish, and broccoli. Buti na lang maaraw dito na kasi kanina doon sa Pilipinas umuulan tapos maulap, grabe. Nineservice ako, ang lakas ng ng airplane, paggalaw siya nanlamig yung mga kamay ko. Grabe. Hanggang ngayon malamig pa rin yung mga kamay ko, mga kawardes, kaso medyo nakakalma na siya kasi okay na, wala nang ulan tapos ano na siya, ulap. O maganda na, maaraw na dito. Yan o. Bababa na po tayo ng Macau. Nagsakit sa tenga. Ayun, ang ganda naman yan. O, island. Ang ganda ng island. Oh, ganda ng island. Oh. What's that? Anong island kaya? Ang ganda. Ganda naman ako. Sakit sa tenga. Dami ko rin bahay dyan sa gitna ng dagat. Grabe. Ano kaya yung lugar? Ha? Anong lugar kaya yan? O may island? May mga bahay sa island? May windfield din doon.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will be landing in a few minutes. Please check that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Cabin crew remain seated with your seatbelts fastened.
Worship yun o worship? Saan worship? Saan ako marinig? It's a day. I don't hear anything. safe. Ang galing ng piloto.
Pero yung bituka ko. Yung bituka ko pumunta na sa ulo ko.
Ano?
Bituka ko pumunta na sa ulo ko.
Pumunta sa ulo mo. Thank you, Lord. We're safe. Touchdown, Macau. Pero yung bito kami pumunta sa ulo mo na. Thank you so much, Lord.
Mabuhay. Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Macau. The time is 4:19 in the afternoon and the date today is July 13, 2023. The ground temperature is 34 degrees Celsius. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt signs are switched off. May we remind you to check areas around you for items you might leave behind. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, please remain seated while waiting for your turn to disembark. For passengers who need assistance, please deplane last. Our cabin crew and ground staff will be happy to assist you.
Magpahuli tayo.
May we remind our passengers to continue to wear your face masks and observe physical distancing during disembarkation. Please remain seated while waiting for your turn to disembark. Thank you for your cooperation. On behalf of Captain Mark Tan and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Philippines.
Heart of the Filipino. Welcome to Macau. Ayun na, Macau International Airport.
Oh, yan.
Ayun na ka, nagbibiyang. Aeroporto International de Macau.